Alright guys, my name is Shervin, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about something crazy that just happened. Now a week or two ago, I put out a video about the Neo Financial Money Account, and I talked about how even though I've been a big fan of the EQ Bank savings account for a long time, the Neo Financial Money Account is actually offering a higher interest rate for the time being. They offered 1.3% instead of the 1.25% that the EQ Bank savings account was offering. Well, it looks like someone at EQ Bank saw my video because just a couple of days after that video came out, EQ Bank put out this statement saying that they are increasing the interest rate offered on their savings account to 1.5%. Now, obviously, this is a crazy jump and it immediately makes this account the best bank account in Canada once more. But that said, this move has a lot of other implications as well. And if you watch till the end, you're going to find out exactly what this means for you, what you should do if you have opened a Neo Financial Money account, and also what this means for EQ Bank going forward. And of course, all that I ask from you is that if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and smash the subscribe button down below and join the community. I make new videos about personal finance and investing on a regular basis, and by subscribing to the channel, you get to see all my new videos right as they come out. Also, if you're feeling extra generous today, go ahead and smash the like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. But with that said, let's first talk about what this means for your savings and where you should be storing them now. Obviously, given the fact that EQ Bank is actually offering 1.5% on every dollar you have saved with them, you have to move all your savings, including all your emergency funds, into the EQ Bank savings account immediately. Now, I've said this before and I'm just going to repeat it here. This is by far the highest interest rate any bank account in Canada is going to give you, so you should take full advantage of it. But the question remains, what if you've already opened the Neo Financial Money account? What do you do with that account? Do you just keep it open or do you close it? Well, one of the benefits of the Neo Financial Money account is that it actually doesn't have any minimum balance requirements, meaning that even if you have only $5 left in that account, you can still keep it open without any problems. Now, of course, given the fact that you're going to mainly use the EQ Bank savings account, you could just go ahead and close the Neo Financial account that you have. But I would just keep it open anyway, since it doesn't cost you anything to keep open, and as well as that, they could just come out with a competitive offer in the near future. Now, similar to how EQ Bank improved their interest rates in order to stay competitive with the Neo Financial Money account, Neo Financial could do the same now that EQ Bank offers a much higher interest rate. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen immediately. It's very hard for them to increase their interest rates by such a huge margin. But I do believe that whether it takes months or even years, at some point Neo Financial is going to come out with a competitive offer. So if you already have opened the account anyways, just keep it open, just keep $5 in it and just leave it be. Don't close the account just in case a better offer comes in the future. But now let's talk a little bit more about EQ Bank and what this move actually means for them going forward. Because I gotta say, I'm very impressed with EQ Bank as far as how quick they were to react to the presence of the Neo Financial Money account and the fact that another account was offering a higher interest rate than them. Also, they could have just matched the 1.3% that Neo Financial was offering, or just offer a little bit more, like 1.35%, and still have the highest interest rate among any bank account in Canada. But instead, they chose to go with what is known as a knockout bid, which essentially means you offer so much higher than your competition that you just completely leave them in the dust. Now, to me, these are two signs that show EQ Bank is extremely serious in offering the best bank account in Canada, and as well as that, annihilate anyone who is trying to compete with them. Now, as an EQ Bank account holder myself, this is very encouraging to me, as I can always rely on EQ Bank to offer the best service and the best competitive rates. Now, I know that I've talked about this account countless times before, but if you haven't already got your EQ Bank account, then what are you waiting for? These interest rates are by far the highest that you're ever going to get from any bank account in Canada, and you need to sign up for your EQ Bank account right now. In fact, I've also put my EQ Bank referral link down below in the description, where you get $20 for free just for signing up using my link. So you get your hands on the best bank account in Canada, you get $20 for free, and you also get to support the channel, which I always appreciate. So go ahead and open your account and start getting 1.5% on every dollar that you have saved up. Alright, so that's about it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Now, as always, if you have any questions about any of the stuff that we talked about in this video, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. I always respond to every single question that comes in. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.